Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing this look, a yellow wearable eyeshadow look. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what do you think about this look. I'm posting new videos every Monday and Friday. Face art and makeup on Monday, and my drawings and paintings will be on Friday. So click the bell icon instead of subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I upload my brand new video. Also, to see more of my arts, you can check out my Instagram here. I will leave the link in the description box down below. Click up here to see more of my art videos, and let's get started. I'm just gonna do a time lapse for this video because I wanna watch a movie, and let's get started. Oh yeah, I'm having my lunch first. So I'm starting off with my primer and applying this all over my face. Then using concealer to cover up my redness, scars, dark spots, and zits. And then blend everything with a sponge. And don't be surprised, I know it's white. And now I'm just applying my foundation. And then using concealer, I'm just brightening up the center of my face. And then I blend everything out with a sponge. And then using a translucent powder, I'm just applying this all over my face. So when I bought this online, it was broken. Since my face is looking flat, I'm just gonna put a bronzer. So this is the butter bronzer. Right now, I'm just applying the bronzer to the rims of my face, my temple, under my cheekbones, and under my jaws. I'm just comparing this to both sides. I'm gonna use this transition shade as my blush. Oh, I should have tapped it out. Oh no! No. Oh no! That looks better. So now I'm just gonna start with my eyes. You know what? I was planning to use my Morphe palette, but since I already bought my NYX palette, colorful palette, the rainbow palette thingy, I want to give that palette one more try. This one. So I'm gonna start with this color. Using this color, I'm just applying this on my crease. And then using a circular motion, buffing out the color to soften up the harsh line to make it look seamless. Like that. And then for the next shade, I'll be using this shade here and applying this on my eyelids, only on the edges, the inner and outer edge. Ooh. As you can see, when I apply with my fingers, it looks better. So I'll be going with this shade. Or should I go with the shade? Yeah. So I went in with the shade instead. So I'm using a small brush like this. I'm gonna darken my crease. So I'm taking this orange shade and put this in my crease. and flicking it out, upwards. And then taking this shade, I'm gonna put this as my highlighter. See how much that brightened that up. And now I'm just repeating the same steps on the other side. And I'm also using the same highlighter and putting it on my nose, my cheekbones, my forehead, on the tip of my nose, and on top of my lips. Oh yeah, I almost forgot my inner corners. And then for my eyebrows, I'm still using the same palette, a dark brown eyeshadow to draw my brows. For this part, I'm using a slanted brush. So what I did was tapping it off on my hands to reduce the color, the dark color, and then applying it on my eyebrows without making it look like a Sharpie eyebrows. We don't want that. And for a very long time, I haven't used my liquid liner, and today's the day. Oh gosh. Well, since there wasn't a lot of practice, it did get bigger and bigger and bigger, and I just had to stop myself. And then, not forgetting the under the eyes, using the same shade of yellow, I'm just applying under my eyes. And then using an orange shadow, I'm just applying it small directly on the waterline. And lastly, for my lips, one dip. Ooh, this matches my shirt. To prevent from the lipstick to stick to your teeth, what I did was this. And lastly, the lashes, or what you call the falsies. And lastly, curling my lashes. And finally, it is done. So, this is it. This is the last part for this video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what do you think about this look. As always, if you have any ideas, requests or suggestions, leave it in the comment section down below. I'm posting new videos every Mondays and Friday. Face art and makeup on Monday, and my drawings and paintings will be on Friday. So click the bell icon instead of the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I upload my brand new video. To see more of my art, you can check out my Instagram here. I will leave the link in the description box down below. Click here to subscribe to my channel, and click here to see more of my other videos, and here one of my other videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!